is a Gen Z entrepreneur.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
She's sitting beside me.
It's getting bad.
एकदम bad.
Is it giving baddie?
From where we can buy it?
Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere. It's everywhere. I'm so nervous.
Let's go drum roll.
Why am I nervous?
I'm so nervous.
Yeah,
Yeah,
my hands are shaking.
my hands are shaking.
Oh my God. See?
Thank you, man.
Look into it.
कितना मस्त है.
It's getting bad.
एकदम bad.
Is it giving baddie?
Graduate of NIF.
Nifty है किधर है Nif? Yay, let's go.
She has worked across styling, media, and brand creation while developing a distinct voice that questions inherited norms or modesty, beauty, and traditions.
My hands are shivering.
Is a Gen Z entrepreneur.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Can you highlight that word in the book?
Yes. Gen Z entrepreneur, writer, and cultural storyteller. Let's go.
I'm so shy.
Oh my god. This is so young.
The cover is so cool. Judge a book by its cover.
This one you can judge by its cover.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
She's sitting beside me.
It's a thumbnail kind of a thing.
This will be the thumbnail.
No, the skull. The third eye.
It's so-
It's so on point.
So it's inspired by Vivi Kamakhya.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I know. I know. Oh, that is why it's all red.
Yes.
It's giving so strong, dark, feminine energy.
If the rest of the world won't understand, at least my kids do.
Yes. You have to
Maybe
have
we
the
would
creative
make a
understanding
QR
to
code of this
understand
book
it.
and stick it so people can scan and get
I'll give you guys the
something.
QR code, not
You
give.
guys go and
Yes.
Yes.
Everywhere. हर जगह पूरे क्लास में नीचे सब जगह
It's giving so maximalist Indian thing. It's so good. I swear to God. I'm in like awe right now. Like, oh my God.
I wasn't expecting it to be that
That good.
That's way out of the expectations. The cover is
I thought it would be more than minimalistic, but I'm happy that it's not.
not. Yeah.
It's giving Indian, it's giving traditional.
It's giving Indian cover से ही होगा.
Best review.
Wow.
It's so good.
Nice.
Like this photo of food and this is giving so same energy. Like dark, feminine, strong.
This is
bold
very
energy.
bold.
Bold
Yeah.
energy.
That was the word I gonna use. एकदम bold energy.
Yes. This 7 year of work.
Into a one single book, like all your hard work into a single book. Yes.
I'm gonna recommend this to my whole group.
Please.
Yeah,
I would
they-
read it and
yeah.
I feel like my mini market to read it.
Yeah, because no, my family members aren't quite interested in like traditional stories and that kind of things. I would 100% recommend
This is like the first time she is getting the books into her hand. Like,
This is the
we are
first time I'm
having-
getting the book in my hand and you guys are here. And I'm
That's
so
so special.
glad, you know, because if I would have done it like alone, I would have been
such a long time, I would have.
7 years is too much.
I would have crashed out so many times.
I've crashed out so many.
Yeah, it's like.
कि नहीं करना नहीं करना रहने दो रहने दो.
तो बहुत हो गया भैया, परेशान होती कौन, छोड़ो इसको।
But still.
The whole point of me writing this book was that people should look into their own tradition
Yeah.
with a
Especially Indians.
with the mindset that they want to go into first research. There is a primary research and there is a tertiary research. Now what people do since Britishers came, they started translating everything in English, and of course their intention wasn't right.
Yeah.
They wanted to convert
Convert us.
They wanted to manipulate.
Yeah, they
it,
wanted
sure.
us to be insecure about ourselves. So most of the time, what people study about our history, that's coming from a lens of hatred.
Yeah.
So that's why people, you see, most of the Hindu kids would say that, oh, I'm not religious, because they
Yeah.
find it very questionable.
Yeah.
But
I myself find it very questionable.
yeah, but then when you will actually go into reading the actual Sanskrit without anyone else translating it for you, you would understand that our thing is the most meaningful thing ever, and people has just manipulated us into thinking that it's something bad.
Something.
It's like there are so many other, like so many rules and so many regulations that people are forgetting what it actually meant.
And those
So, yeah.
regulations came from somebody
Yeah.
who wanted to oppress us. Somebody
Yeah.
who, it wasn't like
Wanted
it
to
was
control the whole
control the
perspective
whole
of
country.
youth of India. Yeah.
They did not wanted us to grow as a country,
Country.
or as a
Individual.
society. They wanted to control us. So that's why they kept that kind of perception in our culture, in our religion, so that they will be insecure about it. The kind of rules we have, it is for men to hate on women. If you
Oh, hell
won't be,
yeah.
if you won't be wearing like this,
But the cover makes sense now.
yes, it's thought of, because Kamakhya Devi is a temple that literally showcases how open Hinduism is.
And it's like the temple has very powerful energy.
Very powerful energy. It showcases how Hindus were always open to understand and respect women's every aspect.
Yeah.
Now we should stop, because now we don't have Mughals, now we don't have Britishers. Now we can actually take our scriptures संस्कृत में और अपने से पढ़ सकते हैं. मान लो संस्कृत नहीं भी पढ़ना आता है तो look for the authors who are actually
The authors
look
were
for
actually
Look for the authors, guys.
who actually care about the religion and know Sanskrit and can go directly, translate.
But you also have a background of Sanskrit, right?
Yeah, yeah, mom.
I was raised in Kumbh, if you guys know.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Yes. So Kumbh is like a carnival of.
So you
Hindus.
come from the roots.
Yes.
Wow. ये अगर सब लोग ने सोच लिया तो इंडिया कितना आगे जाएगा.
I'll keep one book always in office. So if you guys want to read it, but get it, okay?
Shoot yourself ऐसे एकदम.
फोकस।
तो कैमरा के बाहर की मैम ऐसे कर दिया यार.
सारा ही काम बढ़ेगा मुझे मार्केटिंग का.
हो जाएगा
You will do it, ma'am.
नहीं पड़ेगा.
आराम से हो जाएगा सर।
Yes. मैं तो कलाबाज जाती रहती हूँ. आप बुक दे दो मेरे पास. मैं आपको ले लो ये सब बुक. रखना ही पड़ेगा.
Okay, whenever you are going, you let me know. I'll give it to you.
फिर लगा दो।
Oh nice.
I have to make a little skirt for it.
That's so cute. Bro, तेरा पैर ऐसे बनाया है. मुझे नहीं पता था.
So cute.